When potential clients browse your website from a mobile device, they're looking for different things than when they use their desktop computer. How do we know this? Think about how you look at websites from your phone. You probably don't spend a lot of time reading about the business. You want to get some key information quickly. When browsing a website on the go, we are usually looking for something very specific: an address, opening hours, or a phone number. Rarely do we spend time while walking down the street or sitting at a restaurant to educate ourselves about the finer details of our plumber's business philosophy. No, we need that toilet unclogged ASAP, and all we're looking for are his digits. Keep this in mind when you plan your mobile site and make it easy to find important details. Wix offers two ways to help visitors navigate your site on the go. First, this mobile action bar can be turned on or off, providing a shortcut to your contact information. Next, the hide option allows you to hide less relevant items from your mobile site. This way, your visitors can easily find what they are looking for, and they will appreciate it. This was a useful tip, wasn't it? Sign up for Wix Ed. You'll get tons more tips and learn how to create better websites.